Square dot here. Today we have an HP 15 as a model is 15AC009UR. You can see right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disassemble it and change its cooling paste or thermal paste, or if I can find my paste. My laptop is already been disassembled, but doesn't matter. Start by removing the battery, and you have 3 down here, 3 here, 2 here, and 2 under the battery, and you have 2 screws here on the hinge. Usually there are some rubber pads, but right now it's not. I will take out this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 screws, and I pretty much put my keyboard down. So I'm gonna take a pry tool, as you need to stick all around the edge to pry this open. Okay, after you have opened the case, take this out. Remove this. It's full of dust, of course. And let's clean this with some paper towels. After I remove it and apply some new thermal paste. Yes, the paste is very old and crusty. Wait 2 seconds. Okay, I took some paper towels. And I will take a toothpick to rub the excess paste out of the chip. This is not that dry, but it's old and it really needs to be replaced, so I'm gonna clean it very fast. I was in a hurry with this one, so it was already been opened and I did not made a full video out of it. Sorry for that. I will clean this in the trash. So pretty much you swipe onto a corner and take all the paste down. Then clean it properly to take out, to remove any residual paste that can see, like this. I'm just cleaning it, so okay, it's pretty clean. The heatsink also, I use a brush, then I blow air inside from the other to take out all the dust. Okay, now this is pretty clean. Let's apply some thermal paste. I saw some residue here and I want to remove it. Okay, let me apply some paste. I don't need that much, but it came out, so I need to use my toothpick now to spread it on all. There's too much here. And of course I need to take some of the paste if I can. Looks like I can't. Okay. That was, I was afraid that it will do this, and it's alright now. A little bit too much, but it's okay. It will spread after mounting this. So right now I have only this one remain to clean. For this I will remove the only screw that it has, and I'm going to take this apart. Going to take the metal bracket out. To clean it properly. Okay, now it's clean. Let's clean this side too. Mount it back. Let's put back the screw. Mount it back in place, and you're kinda good to go. After that is in place, put it back. You can now mount the case back, put your DVD and all the screw, and you're ready to go. I cannot do this because I'm in a hurry. I just wanted to clean this and to show you how to disassemble it if you want to repair something. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.